Kain tayo ng mangga, guys.
Okay, then you have to wear pants.
Ito, medyo malambot na ito. Kaya masarap siya balatan. Pero yung the rest dito matigas pa yun.
Pull 'em up, pull 'em to your hip. Wiggle, wiggle in that. Make sure they don't slip. Tie 'em up, tie 'em up. Now the fun can begin.
Woohoo! These aren't so bad. I don't know what I was fussing about.
All right, good job. Get your shoes on and let's go.
Okay, I'm ready, Mama. Let's go and play. Let's go to the park and explore today. I'm ready, Mama, for anything.
Ang juicy niya.
Wearing pants ain't no big thing.
Tulad nito, matigas siya balatan.
I
Pero hinog na yung loob.
play
Oh.
today.
Tamis.
I don't mind.
Dito lang sa likod ng bahay namin to.
I'm ready now, let's go. Take me outside to feel the breeze. This is nice, I feel free. Plus, I look great, just look at me. There was one in the bed, and a little one said, I'm scared, I'm scared. So one got in, and now there's two. There were two in the bed, and the little one said, I'm scared.
Saan?